Squelch sounds. Let's go to the sequencer. Pitch. For the Squelch, let me turn sequence off first. For the Squelch is more, let's say, it's not robot stuff. It's more, natural. So I don't use steps when I make the. So I'm gonna use round modulation. Let's say sine waves. Like this. Fart sounds. Fart sounds. This is a Squelch sound. Let me... Something nice to mention is that has a retrigger function. Now retrigger is on. So every time I press a note, the LFO starts on the same position. On retrigger off, I press a lot of times and then the LFO continues moving. So it's interesting, maybe sometimes leave it free and some others not. Let's use a band pass filter with some drive. Oh, Squelch sound. Squelch. Okay, but let me focus on. Okay. Then go to LFO 2. Nice. Nice, nice. 3, so. Nice. LFO 4. Some of this is a great tip. Some of this sequence, I'm gonna put the amount off. No amount. That means no modulation. It's cool because you don't have to put like every time some crazy thing happens. Sometimes you just want the sound go straight on it. Okay? For example, now I have LFO 6. Okay. And I'm gonna put the chaos of also depth from chaos. I'm gonna put off. So every time when the sequence go to these modulators, they will not get affected. So you have more control. I don't turn sequence on. Now the LFO it's just modulating. Yeah, this one LFO 2, 4, 5, 1 and 2 is not is going straight. So you don't have crazy stuff all the time.